Welcome to RaiGoodFood.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to do team planning in Rally. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. So let's discuss what you will get it from this video. I will cover it here. What is team planning? How to do team planning? How to plan before a PI with practical demo. So post login into your Rally login credential, you're able to see this page where home page is available for you. For doing planning, we have to go to drag and we have to go to plan and then click on team planning. Post that you're able to see this type of screen if you have already planned it. If you have not planned it, you are able to see blank screen. So for particular sprint, I am getting these many walks. So right now, let me click this. It's a one user story, and if I am talking about the default perspective, there is nothing available here. So first of all, let's understand what is team planning. So team planning, you use the team planning page to pull work from the backlog and schedule work into iterations. Team planning allows you to easily view the velocity of your work items in a given iteration and whether the team is over capacitized. Team planning requires that you have already set up time boxes to use, such as iterations, releases, and to create team plans containing features that customer needs, use the capacity planning. So if you don't know about the capacity planning, please watch my previous sessions, or better, I will include the URL in my description tab so that you can easily access that. Once a high level planning has occurred, your team can begin to plan stories associated with the features that are in the broader higher level plan. With the team planning page, you can view your team's work in multiple ways, where you can schedule work items and access the impact to team velocity and capacity. The team planning page includes the following sections depending on how you are viewing on the page. We can see plan and backlog both. So let's understand how we can do the planning. For adding a new plan, you can click on add new and add the user story and features whatever you are required to do it. But if you have already created backlogs, you can directly add the content of your backlog inside this team planning. So for here, simply go to plan and click on team planning. You're able to see this type of screen is available for you. Once you'll toggle it, you will find it out different items are listed here. You can also use that for creating a user story or defects or test suits. You can create it directly from here. If you don't want to, you can click on cancel. So let's say if we have different items to be listed, we can see all these items are available for our requirement. So let's click on release version 1.4. In the release version 1.4, you will find it out different contents are available. That is the backlogs or unfinished work which is available to pick it up. These are the marked with the different releases so that you're able to see different items. You can also categorize it into iterations or iteration 1, 2, 3, something like that. You can see different items. Here you have not capacitized the details, because of that it's showing this warning messages. So let's see release 1.2, and here in the right sections you will find it out iteration 1, 4 and 2, which is available for me in the dates and the issues. So right now this is the velocity showing. We can also change the velocity at any point of time at the time of planning. So let's say I'm having a capacity for iteration was 230 hours, and capacity of I4 I am having 130, and capacity of I2, let's consider I am having 120 hours. So this is my complete durations. So let's drag and drop and see how the iteration will look like for me. Now I attracted user story 10, which is having a 89 of estimate times, and now it's loaded with 26%. So let's add this as well. If you want to do the estimates at any beginning point, you can also add it here, like 43, 56, 1, 2, test is having 32, test is having 21. Now let's drag and drop to each and every iterations, and you will find it out different contains are loaded, and whatever I am adding is removed from here, which is moving into unscheduled state or release backlogs. So let me add into here. Now you can see 78% are loaded, which is pinged by the different teams. Now it's 94. So it's always recommended to not to overload your team more than 90%. Otherwise, whenever you will get uncertain things, how you will handle it. So it's always suggested to make your realistic plan so that your team members can achieve it. Otherwise, it would be more difficult for handling uncertain things which is we are getting. So as of now, you can see 89, 94, 83%, which looks like some realistic plan, but I4 is much risky. So it's always recommended not to do the capacity planning or team planning for your team members to overloaded conditions. When you want to view each iteration in detail, simply click on this icon and you're able to see the complete details. Now here, this will gives you a clear picture of your team members, how is the progress is going on. If you are having any dependencies, you can see it. One is highlighted here. If you don't have any dependency, it's showing null or nothing is available here. So you can switch the release versions on different iterations are also available. You can change it at any point of time. So version 1, we don't have any items are available. You can create the team view for your requirement. You can add it on selecting different iterations on and click to list charts. Now these are the iterations are available, and if you want to see the charts is available with the releases, these are the release accepted after iteration accepted, nothing is happened. Because of that, it's not showing anything. Again, go to the team planning and you can add the backlogs as per your requirement. You can toggle the view whatever you're looking for. If you want to see the complete details, click on switch to backlog view. If you want to see the switching to planning view, and if you want to see the complete planning page only, then you can switch it to this tab. Here you will have manage iteration settings are also there. You can manage it at any point of time. So that's how we are doing the team planning and viewing the content of our team in Rally. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoyed the session, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.